I've got a live trade going on at the moment right in front of you, which is the pound versus the US dollar. I'm short in this market. I've got five positions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions open, and I'm in profit, about £1,900 profit. It's moving around live here right in front of you. And I thought this was a great opportunity, guys, to actually discuss with you. If you're someone that can't hang on to big winning trades, you get in a trade, you see a profit, then you get out too quickly, and then it goes on and runs another 50, 60, 100 points, and you're sitting there thinking like you've missed out on something quite big. You snatch the profits too early. This is a common feature for somebody that's trading without any type of strategy and just trading out of fear. Okay, and I've got a video on trading, how to stop trading with fear in my video list. But let's just talk about this trade in particular and what I'm looking at here. Now this is on a 2-minute chart. Okay, now a 2-minute chart is going to have lots of waves up and down. You're going to see lots of reversion back to the mean, an impulsive move, reversion back to mean in waves. A lot of the time the market's job is to fake you out of a trade before it goes on a big move. All right, now if I'm going to be using a 2-minute chart, the market, the price is going to be up and down like a yo-yo, okay? And you are going to be faked out of the trade before it goes on a big move. So what I like to do is always go to the bigger time frame to start with and think to yourself, decide, are you going for number one, a big move, a big profit, or number two, a small profit? If I was going for a small profit, I would have taken a short here, got out when it turned green, a red here on the pro trade system, got out when it turned green. Okay, that's a 2-minute time frame. But because I'm going for a big move, I'm not going to sit here and watch it turn green. I want to use a bigger time frame, and that's the key. If you change the time frame that you're trading here, which is the 2-minute chart, if you change it to a bigger time frame, then you don't get out early. So if I change it now to a daily time frame, you can now see that it's just starting to turn red. And that is one of our strategies here with the color method. I'm looking for it to turn red, and I'm looking for it to get down to T1, T2, and T3, which is miles away. So I've jumped and I've worked myself into a daily time frame to slow it all down. You can't see the waves pushing back higher against my position here, but you can see the waves on a 2-minute chart here. So if I was just relying on this 2-minute chart, then I'll be out of the trade. But on the daily time frame, I'm going for a bigger move. A big move or small move? What are you going for? And that's the key to learn. Are you going to see a trade that's going to go on a big move, or are you going to take profits quite quickly? And if I was taking profits quite quickly, I would stick to the 2-minute chart. But because I'm going for a big move, I'm going to go up to the daily chart, and it's nice and slow and nice and relaxing. I'm going to go out on my bike now. I'll put my stop in place, and if the trade goes back up and I only make 700 quid, 500 pounds on the trade, that's fine, because I accepted I was going for a big move. And that's all part of trading, guys. Accepting what you're going for. Big move or small move. Big move or small move. And if you're going for a big move and it only stops you out, and it stops you out for a small profit, well, that's fine. You've accepted that, and you're disappointed, I'm sure, but you stuck to your trading plan. And some of those trades that you're going to be going for a big move on will literally run an extra 200 or 300 points, and you'll be absolutely delighted, and your account will shoot up really quickly. But if you're always going for small moves, then it's going to be really hard work. And it doesn't need to be hard work when you're trading the markets. Now, it's this pullback here that's going to fake you out the move, okay? And so if that's the case, remember, guys, jump up to a bigger time frame. It will slow down, and then go for that bigger move, because then it will be much more relaxing. I hope it helps, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put some comments down below. Hope it helps. This is how you scale into trades as well, but also how to stay with big moves. Hope it helps.